Hey guys, I'm Vanessa. Welcome to Swahili Food. Today I've got
Sanya.
Yay! Sanya's gonna show us how to make some amazing chicken wraps. You guys, they are awesome, right?
Yes, I would love to show you the chicken wraps. Your kids can take them for lunch. You can have them for breakfast, dinner, lunch, or as a snack. So I hope you enjoy them, and let's start them.
There you have it. Let's go to the kitchen.
So Sanya added a teaspoon of tandoori masala and tikka masala to 500 grams of chicken that's been cubed up. She then also added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt. You can add more if you want it creamier. And then she added about 2 to 3 heaped teaspoons of crushed garlic. And next came about 3 to 4 teaspoons of garam masala, which is a cumin coriander spice blend. She did this herself, so she roasted it herself and ground it. You want to then just marinate the chicken for a little bit.
Okay, so I need to put in some oil. Here.
Okay. I like in cooking videos how they say use 1 tablespoon of oil and then they go like a half a cup.
Yeah.
You're right, that is definitely not 1 tablespoon. That's the sizzle you're looking for.
Get a nice sizzling sound. So probably the oil is hot enough for the chicken. So you just pour in the marination and the chicken, everything together like this, and we're done here. You just have to fry it, just that little thick, and ooh, sorry.
Can you guys see this? We have fire. You don't want that to happen.
Yeah, you don't. Sorry for spoiling your towel.
It's fine. Oh, it's still on fire.
Still on fire. Water. Okay, so we had an accident, a small accident here. While frying the chicken, I think I'm okay without the towel now. I can manage. Sorry, Vanessa.
It's fine. This is gold. I love it. Oh.
Oops.
Happens.
So
You know why I'm laughing?
we could lower down the flame.
I'm laughing because it's the other way. I'm laughing because the exact same thing happened to me when I was a little girl.
Really? But you were a little girl, ma'am.
Well, relative. I was making tea for my family and that happened. And I didn't know that happened. So I took the tea off the stove and I put it on the counter. And there was a curtain right there. Which was a fault of what was my mom thinking to put a curtain there anyway? And the curtain caught fire.
Oh my.
I keep
Curtain!
Yep.
Oh my god.
Do you know what I did? It was a Roman blind. I rolled it back up.
Oh my.
And I didn't tell my mom.
And she never got to know?
She didn't know until evening. When she put the curtain down, she's like, there's a hole in my Roman blind. Yeah.
So guys, that happens. Sometimes that happens.
It does. It happens to me.
It's part of life. So let's just cover it for a while. We just cook it on medium to low flame for at least 15 minutes until it's tender and it's nicely cooked. And during that time, we'll make mint chutney to put in the rolls. So in the wraps. So let's do that.
For the mint chutney, Sanya used equal amounts of mint leaves and coriander leaves. So if you're going to use 2 tablespoons of mint, use 2 tablespoons of coriander. She also added chopped green chili and a few cloves of garlic, a little water, not too much, you don't want it to be too runny. You then want to blend it until it's completely fine, like so. She then added a few tablespoons of natural yogurt and a little bit of the chutney. Mix until well mixed.
So now we're going to check the chicken, and as we can see here that it's nicely cooked and the water has dried. Okay, so we're going to lightly toast the tortillas.
Right.
And I'm using Vanessa's spoon for the first time, so don't blame me if it slips away. Okay, just very slight, because we need to bake them in the end. So we don't want them to be very stiff or overcooked. Okay, so we have our tortilla here. We put a generous helping of the garlic mayo we've got here, and we just spread it, and then I put some chutney here in the middle, and I'll just spread it. Don't put too much, it's going to drip out. I think this much will be enough. And then just towards the middle we'll put in some chicken. This amount is good.
Okay,
because
so
if we put too much on the sides, it's just going to start falling out.
Okay.
And then we put some sliced onions on top. If your kids don't like onion, you can just not add them.
Okay.
Like my kids, they prefer me not to put onions in their wraps, so I just skip this step.
Okay.
So you're just going to top it up with some onions, and then just sprinkle some cheese.
Yummy.
And wrap.
So you fold it like twice, or you're wrapping it completely?
Yeah, I'm wrapping.
Okay, so you're not covering the sides.
See, even some of the onions started coming out. So you don't need a lot of things. Just focus on in the middle. Put most of the filling in the middle. So our wraps are ready to go in the oven, and because we've put cheese inside, so it would be nice if we just heat them a bit and just bake them a bit, so the cheese is nice and melty and we have some nice hot wraps.
These are good. These are just what I remembered them to be. Sanya, these are amazing.
Are they?
Yes.
They're the same
Yes.
that you tasted before?
Yes. Can you come back and teach me some more things and everybody else?
Sure, I'll enjoy that. I really liked doing this with you.
Yeah, it was fun, wasn't it?
It was.
Yeah. If you want to see more of Sanya, leave a comment in the comment section below. If there's anything, Sanya's from Pakistan. So if there are any Pakistani dishes you want to know,
Yes, you can.
let me know and we will get
let us
Sanya
know.
back.
I'll be back.
I want her. And I need to teach you Swahili food as well. So we can do, you can come and join me for one of my Swahili tutorials.
Yeah, I would love to.
Yeah, okay. Well,
Never try. I'd love to try it as well.
it's amazing. Okay guys, well, sorry as we stuff our faces. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
This is the best part.
I know. I'm trying to not put the whole thing in my mouth one time. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to hit subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, do click the little bell button that's on the side there. That way you'll get notified whenever a new tutorial comes out. And as always, happy cooking.
Bye.
Bye.